While one of the most common ways of managing our emotional state is by learning to manage our thoughts, there are times that the emotions are literally conditioned, which means that certain people, situations, or things trigger emotions instantaneously in a way that we or the client we are working with may not even be aware of what the underlying thoughts are. Or there are times when there are multiple triggers, and doing a thought restructuring or a thought reconditioning for each trigger may not be very efficient. It is in situations like these that we need an alternate way to directly and quickly work with the emotions. And that is exactly where you can use the NLP anchoring process. Now, before I tell you exactly what is anchoring and how to use it with clients or with yourself, go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that we can share more valuable resources that will help you develop powerful therapeutic skills. If you have already subscribed, do share this video with other mental health practitioners on social networks and WhatsApp groups. I'm sure thinking about certain people in your life makes you very happy, and then there are others, the thought of whom makes you very angry. Some of you may have what we call as a lucky shirt or a lucky pen or a lucky charm, which makes you feel really confident, while some others may have noticed how certain places or certain actions or situations immediately make you feel calmer or trigger the feeling of fear. All of these are examples of anchors that have been created in our lives over the years as a result of our experiences. The good news is that it is possible to have an anchor that can help us experience certain emotions automatically and instantaneously. And the bad news is that for most people, these anchors are external, that they can't control, created without awareness or choice after years of repetition. And on top of that, some of these anchors trigger emotions that may not be helpful in the situations where they are triggered. So if only we had a way of being able to create anchors quickly with awareness and choice that we could control, like our actions, and use in the most appropriate places or situations to experience an emotion that is very helpful in exactly that place or in that situation. That would be great, wouldn't that be? This is exactly what the NLP anchoring process is. In simple words, the NLP anchoring process can help you experience emotions that you choose to experience when you choose to experience them. You can use the process to anchor the feeling of happiness or joy and experience them with people or situations you want to, or anchor excitement or motivation or confidence and experience them when doing certain things that you need to do, or even anchor disgust and connect that feeling to smoking or tea or something else that you would like to quit. If you are a therapist or a coach, I am sure you're already thinking about the clients where using this process can be extremely useful. Some of you may already be using the anchoring process with your clients. If you are one of them, do share with us your experience of using this process and the results in the comments below. Some others may be wondering, this is too good to be true. Well, all I can say is wait for the next video where I would walk you through the step-by-step process for creating and using anchors in coaching and in therapy and with yourself. If you would like to be notified about the upcoming videos, do watch this space and follow us. I would also request you to join us in this mission to help other mental health practitioners develop advanced therapeutic skills. And you can do so by liking this video and commenting on it.